Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my another live stream। uh, 2:51 में लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कल के लाइव स्ट्रीम में हमने क्या किया था। कल के लाइव स्ट्रीम में हमने प्रॉफिट बुक किया $666 का प्रॉफिट हमने जो कल बनाया था कल के दिन में। और मैंने आपको कहा था कल की जो लाइव स्ट्रीम मैंने 9 बजे, कल रात 9 बजे जो ओपन की थी, मैंने आपको जब जिस टाइम सोलाना की प्राइस थी 125, बिटकॉइन की प्राइस थी 88.6 के राउंड अबाउट। मैंने आपको कहा था कि जो बिटकॉइन है वो पैवट जो है उसका बनेगा 86 to 85, सोलाना 120 के राउंड अबाउट उसकी लॉन्ग पोजीशन हम ओपन कर सकते हैं। तो हमने वैसे ही किया। मैंने सोलाना की जो डिप्स थी वो 125 से बाई स्टार्ट करना शुरू कर दी थी। और उसका जो मेरा जो एवरेज एंट्री प्राइस थी वो 121 बनी थी, और मैंने एक लिमिट ऑर्डर लगा दिया था 123 का। तो वो लिमिट ऑर्डर जब लॉन्ग पोजीशन 8x लेवल के साथ हिट कर गया 123 पे, क्योंकि इसकी प्राइस जो है वो ऑल टाइम हाई 123.3 के राउंड अबाउट गई है। तो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त कल ट्रेडिंग हुई है और हमने $666 का प्रॉफिट बुक किया है। तो गाइस अब भी हम चेक करेंगे कि आज के दिन में कोई ट्रेडिंग हो सकती है, क्योंकि हमें बताया था हम शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग करते हैं। हम शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग, शॉर्ट टर्म प्रॉफिट, कोई लॉस नहीं, विदाउट एनी रिस्क। तो ये मैंने आपको प्रूव किया है पिछले पे लाइव स्ट्रीम में कि हम शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग करके डेली का कितना प्रॉफिट बना सकते हैं। और हम डेली का जो है वो 100 से 150 डॉलर प्रॉफिट बनाते हैं। तो आप लोग भी 100 से 150 डॉलर सिर्फ और सिर्फ थोड़ी ट्रेडिंग के साथ, 500 600 डॉलर के साथ आप कोई एक 100 150 डॉलर का प्रॉफिट डेली बना सकते हो। और इससे अच्छी ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी बियर इस मार्केट में जो कि एक यूएस सिनारियो चल रहा है, इसमें बुलिश वाला तो कोई चक्कर है ही नहीं। इसमें आप हम अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट बना सकते हैं। डेली का हम कुछ 40 से 50 हज़ार रुपया ट्रेडिंग के साथ बना सकते हैं। तो ये एक महीने में तकरीबन, आप एक महीना अगर ट्रेडिंग करें, आप वीकेंड की छुट्टी पे लें, तो आप 8 से 10 लाख रुपए सिर्फ मेरे लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशंस को फॉलो करके बना सकते हैं। तो गाइज थोड़ी सी हम इसकी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करेंगे। एक दिन की आरएसआई थोड़ी बहुत इंप्रूव हुई है पहले की निस्बत, लेकिन मार्केट जो है कुछ दिनों के लिए, अगले कुछ अरसे के लिए बियर ही रहने वाली है। क्योंकि इस वीक जो है, जो भी ये वीक स्टार्ट हुआ है, यूएस की जो गवर्नमेंट है उसके शट डाउन होने का चांस है। There is a pretty much chance of the government shutting down the USA this week. So, for the long-term scenario, the crypto market remains bear. The price is expected to go down from here. आज की जो लाइव स्ट्रीम सेशन है, I will try to speak in English so everyone can understand. तो इस लाइव स्ट्रीम सेशन में अगर कोई गोरा भी आ जाता है तो he will clearly understand what I'm trying to say. So, let's start today's technical analysis. Sold price is around about 121.85 right now. The all-time high for today for 24 hours was 23.6, and the all-time low of the 24 hours was 117. That was pretty low. The market went down pretty much in the past 24 hours. The price went down around $10 for Solana. It came from 125 and went down to 117 in 24 hours. Uh, this is mainly because of three things, the three factors that impacted most, and the market reacted according to uh, the current scenarios going on around the world. The geopolitical uh, framework that is going around in the past uh, in the previous week, that impacted the market in very brutal way. So what were those geopolitical scenarios? Number one, there are around 99% of the chances, according to poly market. The probability was 99% that the US market is going to shut down in the upcoming week. So there is there is high expectation. There is a big chance that the US market is going to shut down in this week. So that's why the market is reacting according to this. So there is another scenario that the US vessel USS Abraham Lincoln has entered the Middle East, and the tensions between Iran and USA are escalating, and Iran has threatened the USA that it will attack the USA vessel with its missiles if USA attempts any aggressive move. So let's check the basic technical analysis for Solana. The price is 121.8 right now, and it came from 123.57, and it is going down. It is going down right now, and if we want to trade in this market scenario, we have to wait right now because in crypto market there is 90% wait. I have told this many times that there is 90% wait and 10% execution. So we'll wait right now because the market, if we open the long position and if we open the short, likewise, uh, we can't predict we will win the profit or we will win the loss because we prefer short-term trading instead of long-term trading in this market because the market scenarios right now are pretty much bearish. There is a one news that is you can connect the dots and that news stands out as a positive one. The news is that the Canada has the Canadian government announced that they are not going to open the free market trade with the China as USA threatens that the USA will impose 100% tariffs on Canadian goods if they went to China and open the free trade when them. Though, so the free trade, the agreement between the Canada and the USA government is stalled for now because the Canadian government has announced that we are not going to open the free trade with China as USA threatens them with 100% tariffs on Canadian goods. So there is an other scenario that uh, let's find out what's going on crypto future. In crypto future, you can see that the gold and silver are trending right now. The gold and silver has hit its new all-time high in the past 24 hours. The trends toward the physical assets has grown rapidly in the past few weeks, and the trust on physical assets like digital assets like Bitcoin and other physical assets, the digital currencies, the trust on digital currencies right now has been decreasing rapidly in the past few weeks. It is because the crypto market is not performing as it was expected to perform in 2026. But the long-term scenarios for the digital assets, I have said this many times that the long-term scenarios for digital assets like Bitcoin and Solana are pretty much bullish because the USA has announced that the Trump has announced that that he's going to make America the crypto capital of the world. So he will definitely make some positive moves for making this happen. And and after these after these geopolitical setup, these geopolitical tensions between between USA and Iran, the USA and China, USA and Canada, USA and Europe, these factors right now are impacting the market and market is reacting according to it. The scenarios, the war-like scenarios and the tariff scenarios, they mostly impact the market in the brutal way. and Trump is not holding back any of his stance regarding to tariffs and regarding to the Greenland and regarding to Iran. So let's analyze some of the basic indicators right now. The RSI, it is improving. It is going to improve. It is improving right now as compared to the as compared to yesterday. Yesterday the RSI was below 20, and that was oversold scenario. And the oscillators, they are right now. It is past 1 day oscillators, and they are uh, pretty much better as compared to yesterday. Yesterday we have seen a strong sell pressure because of high fear. Let's see the fear index in crypto market. No, let's move to another website, the Binance. I don't prefer Binance. I prefer LBANK. So the market is in extreme fear. The smart ones are buying this fear, and the weak hands are selling right now, and they are selling a in abundant amount. So, according to this fear, and as we are connecting the different dots, the market is expected to go down further below, and there's a high chance that the soul will hit another bottom in the upcoming days, especially if the government shutdown chances increases. If the government, if the U.S. government would shut down, we will see another bottom for soul even below 117. So let's see what CT is saying. CT was pretty much bearish yesterday. No positive news from any of the big influencer on CT. Yeah, you can see that the gold reaches on the watches grid. You see that the gold reaches $5,000 for the first time in history. The tendencies toward the physical assets has been growing rapidly as the trust uh, is- began to decline on the digital assets. Though these physical assets, they are going great. If any of you are trading on the physical assets, you may have made the handsome profit right now. I prefer cryptocurrency because it is the future. The long term scenarios for the crypto market, they are pretty much bullish. And we are going to see another all-time high for Bitcoin and the other alts pretty soon. No, not pretty soon, but in near future. Many of the states, many governments are implementing the regulations, are working on implementing some regulations on the crypto. If uh, uh, they succeeded, they succeed in implementing those regulations on their countries, the crypto market will become stable in upcoming days. So let's find out what's going on in the US market right now. Uh, let's check the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones, yeah, pretty much decline in Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is directly related to the crypto market. If the market of the Dow Jones is down, it means the crypto is highly affected by it. Oh, what's happening right now? Oh, let's see the full chart of it. After a big red candle, we can see a little green candle. These are some brave traders that are trying to stabilize the market. Let's see some of the basic TA for Bitcoin. Guys, we prefer short-term trading, so we are not going to we are not going to check the TA for a week. We will check the TA within 4 hours to 3 hours, and we will make our move according to it. So let's find out the previous 4 hour indicators. What previous 4 hour indicators tells us. Yeah, as expected, RSI has strengthened, has moved up pretty much because it was below 25 yesterday, and it is starting to improve. So the market is now testing the Bitcoin in uh, testing a Bitcoin between 85K to 87K right now. And if Bitcoin failed uh, to sustain that price, and if Bitcoin failed to break the resistance right now in a couple of weeks, in next couple of weeks, then we are definitely going to see an other bottom of crypto market. We will see Bitcoin below 85, and it will trade between 85 to 84K if it fails to sustain. And if it fails to break 90K in upcoming weeks, that is, you know, that is very unlikely to happen, considering the scenarios and considering the political developments going on in the world, especially between USA, Iran, and Iran. If there is another chance that there is another rumor moving on Twitter and other social platforms that the USA is likely to attack Iran between 30 to 31st January, and if that happens, uh, it will uh, it will be fatal for the crypto market, and it will further increase the prices of physical assets like gold and silver. So let's check what's going on CT. Uh, I prefer not to see the Mario novel. He's just a paid shiller. Shilled many rugs, never raped any of it. Yeah, the TikTok account has been bought by a Jew guy, and most of the anti-Israeli and anti-Jewish population are deleting their TikTok account, and they are moving towards Upscroll social media platform made by some Australian guys, Australian Muslim guys. Saudi Arabia announces to deliver 300,000 new residential units in Riyadh. Okay, that's not relevant to crypto. Yeah, Gordon paid Schiller. He's just shitting his own coins. Yeah, he's making his money from other sources. He's not into future trading. So Trenchies, thanks for playing. Don't chase hype shit. Stick to the real project. Oh, go to hell. Trading on Solana, uh, you may be thinking that have some doubts that why I prefer trading Solana because the Solana is high volatile with a lot of volume with a massive volume, and due to its high volatility, even the Bitcoin has decreased 2%. Yesterday, the Solana didn't follow the Bitcoin, and due to its high volatility, Solana dumped -7% yesterday. So it gave a, a, a godlike entry point for spot traders and swing traders. Yeah, Bitcoin is likely to hit another low in the upcoming weeks. That is very likely. So, so what should we trade today, and how should we trade today? Yeah, right now we are just waiting. We're just waiting for the Solana to make another uptrend, and it should hit 123, and we will open it a short position at 123. No, that's not good. We'll wait for the Iran calls Trump as a new pharaoh of the 21st century. Yeah, pretty much right. Yeah, there are other rumors that Iran is going to block the Strait of Hormuz, and if Strait of Hormuz would have been blocked, then uh, a lot of the trade, yeah, the Strait of Hormuz is responsible for the 40% of the world trade, and if it would have been blocked, then uh, it will uh, it will highly impact the global markets. Mm, yeah, so much political news going on right now. We prefer crypto market analysis. Guys, just a reminder for the third time, we have made $600 profit yesterday with just a trade of $1,200 trade. With $1,200 trade, we have made $600 profit yesterday trading on Solana. We bought the dip, and I had told you that the the pivot for a long position on Sol would had been 120 around 120, and we had bought the Sol, and we had opened the long position on Sol at around 121, and we have booked our profit at around 123 yesterday, and that was $600 plus profit we had booked yesterday. I prefer short-term trading, and that's why I am not as fearful as the long-term holders and those who are trying to become rich in one day. You can't become rich in one night. You know, bothering to become rich in one night. It is better to step small stairs and climb slowly towards your success instead of jumping and risking your portfolio. Don't jump all in. Instead, divide your portfolio into 4 or 5 parts and buy these dips. Open the long position if you are actually in the dip. If you want to hold it for a long time, if you prefer a short time or swing trading, I am a swing trader, and right now Uh, in my in my other Alberc account, I have opened the short position on Solana at 120, around 123. and right now I'm in uh, $100 profit. Yesterday, I opened the long position on Solana at 121, and I had managed to book $600 profit in one night. Yeah, some are making the $1,000 of profit, but I'm not those guys. I'm for the people with low portfolios, short portfolios. Those who had thousands of hundreds of thousands of dollars in their wallets, they're definitely making a good profit if they are trading wisely, if they are trading smartly. But our portfolio is not like them. Our portfolio is around 10K, and I prefer to trade around 100 to 15 thousand to $1,500 at one trade, and with a low leverage around 8x to 10x. And I usually prefer short-term trading. I book daily 100 $200 profit. My live streaming is actually for the Pakistani guys, the guys in my country that are struggling to pay their bills, because in Pakistan, most of the graduate students, most of the people, most of the young lads are struggling right now. They don't have they don't have much opportunities, and they are, they are they are finding the way to support their families. They are finding the way to make the earnings. They are finding ways to improve their living, and most of them are unemployed. Most of them are, free right now, doing nothing, uh, going in depressions every day. So you don't have to be on depression. You just have to uh, download your crypto account, follow some smart traders, learn new things every day, and you can book a good profit following some good legs. But you have to give the time. Money don't come free. You can't make money sitting in your homes doing nothing. You have to do something. You have to struggle. In Pakistan, you have to struggle a lot. But if you become a good at something, you will definitely make a good profit for yourself, and you can support your families. In Pakistan, under 100 and $200 are pretty much money, a pretty much support. Yeah, another guy on the city, he's amazing. He says, whenever I jump into the futures, I don't know why market dumps hard. Bro, you are actually not playing rightly. You are not playing smart. You have to be wise. You have to wait. He must have opened some long positions. Yeah, he has opened a long position and didn't wait, didn't analyze the market, where it is actually going. Either my luck isn't lucky, or my analysis isn't analyzing. Bro, your analysis is weak. Yeah, seek some good mentors. So what had you bought? Long 3x cross. Wonder. Okay, position, entry price. Okay, he must have bought some low cap app, some low cap art. Decoration price. Bro, just wait. There's a lot of buy pressure right now in Solana. Guys, instead of relying on indicators, the crypto news, the crypto Twitter, and the political scenarios going on will give you much deeper insight than the indicators. The indicators just tells you that what's going on, what's the trend right now, is momentum holding or not. It does not give you the bigger picture, the longer picture. Instead, the crypto market, the crypto Twitter, and the crypto news and geopolitical scenarios going around the world, they give you the bigger picture, what's going on in the long term. So the long-term trend right now is bearish. The crypto market has is there is a high chance that the market will crash further from here, and the prices of the Solana and the Bitcoin they are likely to move further down. It is a short-term pump we have seen after the dip, but in the long-term scenarios, if the government would shut down, if the government would shut down, the U.S. government will shut down, there we will see another crash in the crypto market, and if God forbid, God forbid is if the USA attacks Iran and the tensions between the USA and Iran escalates, then we will see another down in the crypto market, and we'll see the prices of the physical assets like gold and silver are likely to spike. Yeah, the guy has just said, the guy just has copied my words. The market has been down by 1.14% because the geopolitical turmoil. The crypto market has been significantly affected by the mounting geopolitical tensions, leading to the loss of over $100 billion value. Read more at. No, I don't think we have to read this. We already know. Bro, guys, bear or bullish. If you're smart, if you're a swing trader, you can make money. The beer is actually good. The beer gives you dips. Actually, I have been waiting for this market condition for. I have been waiting for this scenario that is going right now for months. I have been waiting it for months, and I'm just excited. I'm just desperate. I'm desperate to buy these dips. But I will buy smartly. I will not. I'm not going to lose my portfolio. I'm not going to stuck in this loop of the short and long loop. I will buy the bottoms. Hmm. Oh, I just forgot. If the momentum is starting to. So in the past 30 minutes, we can see that the momentum is peaking. MACD levels has been increased. RSI has been increased significantly. The the short-term averages they are indicating towards sell, but the short-term averages they are saying buy. No, no, we don't rely on the short-term averages. In the moving averages, just rely on long-term averages, and they are actually giving us the sell signal. These indicators, they are not they don't give you the guarantee. They just give you the simple analysis what has been done in the past few hours, past few days, or past few weeks. You just make your short-term move analyzing these indicators, but but the momentum can shift because the crypto market it is mainly based on it is mostly based on the sentiments and emotions, and the crypto sentiments right now are in on extreme or on extreme fear index. So there is a lot of fear in the crypto market, and if we only rely on these indicators, we will likely to wipe our portfolio. So yesterday I have told you that before dumping, before a big dump, before Bitcoin Bitcoin crashes from crashed from 88.6K to 86 around 86K, and before Solana going down from 125 to 120K, I had told you that I had said that the pivot for Solana in the upcoming days is around 120 to, yeah, 120 is around 120, and we have witnessed that the Solana price went down to $117, and we have we had opened the long position on Solana around 121, and we had booked our profit at 123. I'm a swing trader, and I had made my move yesterday, and I had booked a good profit, a $636 profit, trading only 100 and $1,200. So that's a good profit, trading a short term, trading a short portfolio with a short portfolio. That's got a good profit. It is 1.5 lakh in rupees, Pakistani rupees, and it is not even the. It is even more than the salary of the gazette officer in Pakistan, and I have made this money in just one day. So you can see the potential of a pro trader in digital market. So right now we're just waiting for Solana to touch 123, and we will open a short position for a short term, and we will book another profit. This time I'm going to take a big leverage because the crypto market is moving very arbitrary. There will be a short-term pump that could liquidate us, but we will not risk that. We will just uh, open the long position with high leverage and book our profit if it is even $100. My profit is one. If I manage to book $100 profit in a single day, it will be enough for me because it is risk free. It is there is no risk in this. My trading is mostly I minimize the risk and trade, and that's why I'm making profit every day. I never went into loss even a single day, so I'm very confident that I'm not going to lose any money trading according to my strategies. So let's see what Solana charts are saying. crypto wave weekend. They are saying that for Solana, I can definitely imagine that the recent downward move may have already completed the red wave 3. Yeah, the red wave 3 we have witnessed yesterday. In case the fifth wave impulse we saw would have the five wave of the red three wave, we should know that we should now expect a counter move in the red wave 4, followed by the final down move into, yeah, it is likely going to happen considering the geopolitical turmoil right now, which would have then extended the cyclical correction on the right side is the worst case scenario. It wasn't a five-wave, but rather the start of the new downtrend. In that case, would have one wave here, then we should move up into second wave, then sell off impulsively again. That we have. Oh my God! So that guy is highly bearish. Unfortunately, we will only get more clarity over the next few weeks. Yeah, that's what I am saying. That the crypto market is not clear right now. The picture is blurred right now. We will move either way. The geopolitical scenarios, the geopolitical turmoils, the considering how much unpredictable the Trump is, he may take uh, the U-turn uh, any minute, and he may liquidate many of us that are trading, considering the short term considering the short term future. If we analyze that, for example, if we predict that Trump is going to attack Iran, and and we open a short position, and if what happen in the next few days, and Trump moved his vessels back to the USA, that then then we would see we would definitely see a spike in the market, and we would see the spike in the prices of the Solana and the Bitcoin. And if we had opened up a short position, considering the former case, we would likely to stuck in the big loop, and we'll just then praying will be the only option left for us. So we are not going to risk that. Instead, we will analyze the market a bit further and make our move accordingly. Yeah, but still, it's too late to say. Too early to say. Instead, the red would move back above the 150 high. That would give us confidence that we won't sell off that deeply. Yeah, yeah. Good analysis, brother. Unknown AI, the key sport in focus. So that's running on one of the older food. Yeah, let's see the latest tweets. No, yeah, that's why I'm waiting because these levels for Solana one above 120, 121, 122, 123, they are crucial right now. And if the buyers hold these levels, we would expect a spike. But regardless of the no, but still the geopolitical factors, the sentiments would affect because the market is heavily relied on the geopolitical factors and the sentiments, and there is extreme fear in the market. And if yeah, Solana holds the price between 121 between 121 and 123 in the upcoming days, then then we will likely to expect a short-term spike in the price of the Solana. So right now, let's see the developments going on between the USA and Iran, and we will see what's going on and what happens if the Trump will make any aggressive move against the Solana. The crypto the crypto fear index will move towards further down, and if it hits 115 to 1 sorry 15 to 16, then Solana price may went further down, and we will see another bottom in Solana and Bitcoin too, respectively. Guys, my study is that first of all, I spend a lot of time and effort doing my own technical analysis, doing my own research, connecting different dots, geopolitical indicators, and all the sentiments. I connect the dots and make my move. I started doing another thing, and it will give me it gives me a bit more confidence when doing my trades. I study what others are saying. I read what others are saying and connect my dots. If because the CT crypto trader, it gives you the bigger picture, what crypto traders are feeling, what crypto sentiments are right now on the market. So the chat, the crypto con, he said that since the September peak, Solana has been moving downward with a parallel channel showing a consistent stepwise decline. Yeah, it is happening. Typically, in standard downward, the second and third wave shows shorter intervals but deeper drops. Yep, emphasizing momentum. However, that's not the case here. Indian Solana may be losing its bearish structure. Volatility has contracted as a channel arrow. Price is now forming a new local top near demand zone 2. What's the demand zone 2? Let's see. Oh, that's a previous. That's the order, dude. Let's forget it. I'm sorry, guys. I wasted my 22 minutes analyzing this. Yeah, the crypto Twitter is dead right now. No one is sure what's going to happen in the next few days. There is so much blur in the market right now, so much uncertainty. Shit, guys, they are just shitting their own shits. Why older tweets? Are there no fresh tweets right now? City is as much dead. The city is so dead right now. It has become a graveyard right now. Solana. Soul news. Let's see Soul analysis. Soul price analysis. I think I'm using wrong keywords. Soon we'll be hitting $60 per token sooner than most think. Don't fall for the bull. Yeah, we are not bullish right now, bro. But long term we are bullish. The guys perish. We won't listen to him. So, sweet, 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 sweet. Yeah, this guy promotes. Did you know if Sol ever reaches the current market cap of silver, one Sol would be worth approximately $10,000. He is living in dreams. That's not going to happen soon. And considering these scenarios, it won't likely to happen at all. So, analyzing the Twitter and after my own analysis, in the next few days, we'll definitely watching the market all day today, and if the price holds between 120 to 123, 121 to 123, then uh, the and then it would may retrace to 124 to 125. But if the price went down before hitting 124 or 125, and it will went below 120, then and if another bad news comes along, like US attacking Iran, or another tariff, or another Powell, or another negative news, or or the news that is directly related to the crypto sentiments, then we would be seeing another bottom for Solana around 115 to 113. And right now, we are just analyzing the market. The next few days are very crucial. So, if you are a short-term trader, if you want to trade right now, if you want to trade today, then this is my analysis. Just wait for the Solana price to hit 123. Yeah, open the short position. The crypto market fear index shows that there is extreme fear in the market right now. So, considering the extreme fear and the selling pressure, the Solana prices will definitely go down below 122. Yeah, and you have to book your profit at 122. My advice is to take the short leverage, minimize your risk, because the long-term scenario for the Solana and the cryptocurrency is not bullish. It is bearish right now, but sentiments may change very quickly, sooner than we expect. So we won't risk opening the short position for a long time. Instead, we will just book our profit uh, very quickly. If we open the short position at 123 and book our profit at 122, uh, opening only trading with only $1,500, then we will definitely going to make $100 plus profit in a single day. And for a Pakistani guy, and for a Pakistani or an Indian guy, it will be pretty much profit. So let's go. So guys, I'm taking a short break. Let's meet after that break. So stay tuned. Watch the charts. We'll meet soon. So guys, I'm back. So let's see. Solana is holding between 121 to 123. That's good. So let me give you the literal flashback of the yesterday's live streaming. Yesterday we have booked, you can see here, $636 profit in just a single day. Trading for a short term, I opened the long position on Solana at 121 and I uh, put the limit at 123. The limit hit, and we have booked $636 profit in a single day. Before opening my live stream yesterday, I have told that the Solana is going to went down at around 120, and it went further below at $117. But we managed to open our long position at $121. The price I was expecting to I was expecting to I was expecting to uh, put my make my move at 120 $119, but I was actually buying that actually started buying dips at $125. So my average price had become at 121. So that's why we have managed to make that. It's not a bad profit, it's a good profit in trading a single day. So why the market had why the market has dumped like that? It is because of geopolitical turmoil and the tensions between the Iran and USA. The US government is likely to shut down in the in this week. There is a 99% possibility on the poly market that the US government is going to shut down in this week. And the USA has sent his vessel USS Abraham Lincoln in the Middle East, and it is moving near Iran, and it is very likely that Trump is going to make an aggressive move against Iran, and if that happens, we will see another bottom for Solana and Bitcoin. So. According to 30 minutes indicators, the price has the moving averages has become significantly increased. The RSI has strengthened. The momentum is peaking. Guys, it is not. I've said this many times, and I'm saying this right now. This is a retrace, not a reversal. And these candles, they are not the lights of hopes. They are just a retrace, and the market is actually reacting, considering the geopolitical scenarios the and according to the fear index, we can see that there is extreme fear right now in the crypto market. We are also checking the crypto future city and we are connecting the dots and we will make our next move not soon. We are not going to trade. We are not going to trade hastily. We will wait right now because the waiting is back right now, and we have to see the conditions. If someone wants to trade right now, if there is a swing trader, if you want to trade on the daily basis, my advice is to wait until the Solana price hits 123. Open the short position at 123 and book your profit at 122 sub. Don't wait further because there is so much uncertainty in the market right now. If the Solana, if the price of the Solana sustains between 121 to 123, we will see another spike that will go to around 122 to 126. And if we have opened our short position at 123k 123, then we will likely to uh, yeah, opening a long position right now is risky at any points because the trend is bear and the momentum is peaking for a short term, but it will break because we can see that a 1 month RSI, yeah, it is, yeah, sustaining one yeah, 1 week RSI is below 50. It is neutral. The MACD level is low. Most of the moving averages indicating towards sells. So, and right now there is extreme fear in the market. So, opening a long position right now is risky, considering factors that the factors like U.S. government shutting down and tensions between Iran and USA. If we see another adventure between Iran and USA, the BTC price will decline further towards 85k to 84k, and we will see Bitcoin hitting another bottom. If the BTC breaks that support zone there, then we are likely to see BTC trading at around 75 to 80k, and we can definitely see that happening. It is a big crash in the market right now. So guys, tell me what coin are you trading in this market? So let's see what other coins are doing, how they are performing. Astra is performing a bit weak. Solana, due to its volatility and volume, it is getting a bit better, but it went, a -7% yesterday, as PTVC was -3% and Solana was -7% due to its volatility uh, and volume. Solana, is good for shorts and longs. Yeah, ours are all, no alt is performing extraordinary. They are all just reacting according to the market. Yesterday, when we were checking the city, there was a lot of negativity in the city regarding the crypto market and Solana. There were no positive news. Everyone was everyone seemed bearish yesterday. Today, we can see a bit of positivity around crypto traders on crypto Twitter. Long-term trading right now is very risky. Short-term trading is good, but you have to be wise and you have to make your move wisely. Opening long position is risky. Opening short position at the dump is also risky. You have to check the price, let the price go up a little bit, and then open your short position and sell after 3 to 4 hours. Sell in the profit only. Don't sell at loss. Sentiments, crypto sentiments uh, can change very easily, and there we can say we have witnessed that they had been changed very quickly. So don't wait, don't open your positions for a long time. Book the profit if it is even $100. I am happy with the $100 profit every day. I have made $600 trading in 3 to 4 day trading. In Pakistan, it is a handsome amount of money for a beginner. I'm not a beginner. I'm actually a pro trader. My portfolio, I actually manage my portfolio. I don't miss trading. I just want to make profit, even if it is $50, $40 per day. It is enough for me in Pakistan. You know, I was always, most of the time, I was long. Long is good because the long-term structure for the crypto market is bullish. It is not going to happen soon, but in the near future, we will see new all-time highs for arts and Bitcoin because Trump has already announced that he's going to make the America the crypto capital of the world. So he will execute his plans and strategies for crypto, not soon, but in near future. After that, there will be a major positive shift in the market. But in but right now, we are not going to see any major spikes in the market. So now spot prices are around 155. Why is the level today is definitely around 140 after the market trend suggests positive movements ahead of Solana price prediction for the month. No, bro, he's just creating a fake hype. He must be stuck in his long position. Solana is currently moving back is the key area. This was under control and structured previous demand levels are being revised without any real damage to the border structure. That's good, yeah. Activity across the ecosystem remains strong. Builders, the liquidity is still here, nothing feel forced. Many positive signs lined up this stage. Market position stays solid. Risk is becoming more defined. This is often how sustainable upside resumes time and patience to delay heavy lifting. Yeah, yeah. I'm actually seeing very positive news on City for crypto market and Solana. So, considering these geopolitical turmoil and scenarios, the the crypto market hasn't been dumped like it was expected. So there is a highly chance there is not a highly chance, but there is still a real hope that the crypto market or Solana price will soon recover from this position, and it is likely to hit 130 to 135 in upcoming days. And if some bad thing happens, like USA attacking Iran or another tariff news, then there may be a short time downtrend. We will witness a short time downtrend, but after that it will recover. The crypto market is good. The traders are holding. They are actually believing it. Let's see the past 30 minutes. Past 30 minutes averages. No, past 4 hours. Not gold below 40. RSI is below 40. Moving averages all are the sell actions. Long time moving averages. Sell, 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 sell. So there was, a lot of selling at every point in the past few days. At every position, at every height, there was a strong sell pressure. So the traders are not holding the positions. 90 to 99, 99. Yeah. Momentum has broken a lot. Mm, Yeah, it is very likely, it is actually there is a big chance that we are going to see another bottom for Solana and Bitcoin in the upcoming days. Yeah, still the pivot for long position of Solana is 120. If you open the long position on 120, it is a safe zone. Uh, it will go back to 120, even if it's 117 or 115 again, it will go back to 120 to 122 to 123 again. So opening if you open your long position at 120, around 120 or 119, then you are in a safe zone. You just need to relax and wait for the market to push back. Yeah, this guys, he has given a good opinion. He says that as long as Solana holds 110, all-time high stay on the table. Yeah, yeah, we can expect all-time high in the near future, not soon. But if this sports break and it's very close, below a move below 100 opens up. Yes, he's right. That's why there is so fear. No one will hold Solana for a long time. Every trader is, selling it after getting a little bit of profit. Some are even selling it for loss. Mhm. Feeling sad for Solana bought the hype near the top. Shit. Okay, ignored structure. Now stuck in hope. Yes, if you have opened long or short position at 122, you will stuck in a loop because you will just hope that it will go down. But in crypto, the momentum could be easily shift. So if US moved his vessel back from Iran and USA hasn't yet officially announced any upcoming move towards Iran. So there is no official announcement from the USA regarding Iran. So what they are actually trying to do, but there is a chance that USA will hit Iran. Uh, around, on 30 to 31st January. If that happens, then there may be a chance that market will dump further. And if you have opened the short positions at 122 to 123, then you are in a very good territory and you will make a good amount of profit opening the short position. Every bounce is getting sold. Yeah, the guy that took crypto next, he's a guy on the X. We are seeing his tweet. He said that feeling sad for Solana holder. Actually, he's actually himself a Solana holder. Bought the hype near the top. He bought the hype near the top. Ignored the structure. So stuck in hope. Price below EM 10, 20, and 90 strong trend. Yes, the short term and the long term trend for Solana is, according to the indicators, it is a strong downtrend. Every bounce is getting so. Yes, we have seen that lower. No, we haven't seen that. It is just 12 hours before it has given a little bit retrace. Maybe it could become a reversal. Yeah, he just best of luck for that guy. Every bounce is getting one. 117 was a key support. Yeah, we have seen that already tested. Yes, we have seen that current bounce is weak. Not that weak. Dead cat bounce vibes. MACD, yeah, yeah, he's just making his technical analysis according to these indicators. It is good because there is extreme fear in the market and the geopolitical conditions are not very good, not very welcome for Solana. So when these situations are not welcoming for the market and there is uh, no uh, a real momentum or real buying pressure in the crypto market, considering those political scenarios, then there is a pretty much chance that the crypto market will show a massive downtrend. It is still sharpening a potential breakdown for the reaction market, but the list price again looks heavily, especially that text box injection at the POC and liquidity trap. Yeah, don't rush into this market. Wait, the guy is actually saying my words. There is a board, Finora AI, your trade buddy. The board has given his technical analysis according to his APIs. I expect the price to remain range bound as long as it's between 19. Yeah, will likely speak a repeated low before a move higher. Trade setup example. Wait for a price be down into 119 area. Ideally, weakening close to one. What time it is? 1:45. Okay. Would then watch for a bullish like a pin bar, a bullish engulf or fragment to confirm early entry. Even long at with the targets first terminal, then momentum is strong at 125, considering taking some profit along the way. Place the stop loss at the most. Yeah, it is for the long-term traders. We don't wait for that long. We just book our profit quickly. Sol is trading right above a key weekly support zone 112 to 1115. Market structure remains bullish. Have a clear breakdown for the distribution top. Relies toward it looks like selling opportunities. Yeah, bone strength is weak. Volume confirms the lack of demand. Weak, weekly close below zone trend. Yeah, until Sol is reclaiming ahead, the buy stays towards. Yeah, below 160. Sol below 160 is bearish. I actually agree with this. With strong support as 125 registers today around today's preparation shows a bullish forecast in the upcoming month. That is not a good analysis, bro. It is just a false hope. Yeah, it's actually a beautiful. Gold and silver has hit the new all-time high. The demand for physical assets has been increasing, and there is a lot of trust deficit we have seen for the digital currencies. Yeah, there is so much volatility, there is so much uncertainty in the digital world. There are just three radical. We have seen just three green candles, and they all are putting their hopes on these three candles, and we may never see another green candle for another upcoming week. And they are just putting these hopes on these retrace levels. It is not a reversal, it is a retrace. These green candles are not the lights of hope, they are actually a retrace and market. And the price has a tendency to move even further down. The RSI is low, the moving averages, they are all indicating towards the sell signal. Everyone is booking their short-term profit. No one is holding the price at the top. No one is even no one is even brave to, yeah, no one is brave enough to hold the prices at these levels. Everyone is just swing trading. Some people are just taking their profit at the break even. Some are selling it for a loss. Some are who had, who has, who had, some who has opened the long positions at around 117 to 118 to 120. They are booking their profit, and no one is just holding the Solana at 122. That's not a bullish structure. That actually pretty much bearish. Solana is currently moving back to its key area. No, it is not moving. The key area is 124 to 125. If Solana failed to hit 124 or even 123.5 or 124 in the upcoming hours, then we will see a big downtrend in the Solana price. The USJ market is closed right now, and let's see. Let's wait for a while. Let the structure speak for itself, and we'll make our move when things become pretty much clear to us. It's kind of blurred right now. Yeah, no, it is. It is. Soul been bouncing between 115 to 125 for a while. Yeah, needs to break 130. Not likely to happen, bro. There is so much fear right now in the market. Yeah, If Trump moved his vessels back to USA from Middle East, then there is a highly chance that we are going to see Seoul at 127 to 130 in the upcoming week. But there are also some negative scenarios for the market, like shutting down of the USA government, and there is the 90%, 99% probability according to the poly market that the USA government is going to shut this week. So it's not going it's not going good for the market. It's not it will it will bring a big downtrend in the market. A massive sell pressure will happen if USA market will shut down in this week. And there is another war-like scenario that is building up between Iran and USA. It is also impacting the market massively. Market is actually reacting according to the fear index, not the indicators. Fear is extremely high right now. Opening or hoping for a bull run sooner is a false hope. Just believe what you see. It's very simple. So today we are not going to open any position considering the scenarios and structures that are becoming. We're not going to open any trade. But but if the Solana hits 123 right now or in the upcoming or up or in 2 to 4 hours, I will likely to open a short position at sub 123 to 124 dollars, and I will definitely book my profit at 122 to 121. Uh, if some bad stuff happens, then I will definitely hold and wait for the market, wait for the Solana to hit another bottom. I will definitely book my profit at below. I will definitely book my profit below 120 at around 118, 117. Yeah, even I will wait at 117. If the downtrend continues and if the Solana price didn't retreat from 117 or 118, I will definitely wait and wait for another bottom at 115 to 113. And then I will book my profit there. Solana above 110. If the Solana price remains 110 in these scenarios, in these uh, between these tensions and between the Iran and USA and the Greenland stuff and the tariff war, if the Solana price sustains above 110, then long-term structure for Solana is bullish. We may expect a new all-time high. If it goes below 110, then we may never see another all-time high for alts. Uh, that guy is high or not? Solana is trading at 128 currently. Traders are watching for 125. Like hawks. What the hell is he saying? Solana is trading at 122 right now. And he's saying Solana is trading at 128. He's high. Bro, don't read too much. Hmm. There is not even a single news that excites me. Everyone is everyone seems hopeless right now. They all seem hopeless. They all are disappointed. Some are just stuck in the loop. Some are waiting. Some wants to become rich over a single night. That's another false assumption that you will become rich over a single night. So the last time we played in the market, the market bottom of the peer, I showed you personal point. Last time, bro, last time the scenarios were different. Now the scenarios are different. There are so much happening right now that is impacting the market. You look at the grade fear, it's extremely low. The traders are in extreme fear. Everyone is selling. No one is even holding any spike or any bounce. Ah, mm, So let's check the what's going on in financial news. The RSI for last 30 minutes is pretty good. It looks like momentum is catching up again, but the EMAs are showing otherwise. The long-term structure for Bitcoin is actually there. Let's wait, guys. We have to wait 1 or 2 days before making any big move in our trading. If someone wants to trade right now, as I have said, open a short position at 123, book the profit at 122, and go to McDonald's. Enjoy your burger. You know, a guy that is a pro trader, he has told me that the Ethereum between 2.7 to 2.8K is actually good for opening the long position, and Solana is good at 120 around 120 for long position. I actually took Solana. I opened the long position at 120 and I booked my profit at 123K. And that was a $636 profit. Yeah, guys, if you are watching this, just like, and I will daily come to the live stream. I will daily give my analysis. I will show you my trades. Most other traders I watch live stream, they don't actually make their move during the live stream. But in the previous four live streams, I have uh, opened my positions during the live, and I have showed you the exact amount of profit I have booked. I'm a trader who is currently making a profit. If your portfolio is low, if the portfolio is not that much big, if you have only 100 to 1,000 to $1,500, then you're actually good for trading. You're good to go. You can trade. Just divide your portfolios into four halves and make your positions. Just watching me. You must have a good backup that can protect you from getting liquidated. Right now, if Solana hits 123, it will definitely a short-term momentum for Solana. Then we will open a short position and we'll wait. If the tensions between the Iran and USA escalate, and that is very likely to happen, then we're definitely going to see another bottom for Solana and Bitcoin too. Bitcoin will be traded around 180, 85 to 84 to 85. Yeah, and Solana will definitely hit another bottom, another below around 115 to 113. And if it stays above 110, then we'll open the long position from there. I have a foolproof plan for my trading. I have made my strategies and I will execute right on time. Right now it is not a good time. So yeah, we can see that another candle is going, another 4 hour candle starting started. Solana price holding between 122 to 123, 123 to 121. So if it hits another 123, we'll open the short position and we'll book our profit at 122. This time we will take a little bit more leverage because it is very much clear to me that after 123, it will definitely go towards 122 and we will book, we can book a good, handsome amount of profit at 122. So another 4 hour candle for Bitcoin, for Ethereum has started to become in the next 4 hours after that candle. If the price sustains that at these levels and considering the fear and the political developments in the Middle Eastern region, it will go further down. Yes, Solana is, we can see a short-term uptrend on Solana, and Solana is likely to hit 123 very soon, and we will open our short position at 123. We'll definitely wait for price to move down at 122 levels again, and then hmm, nothing but सोलाना 122 से ऊपर नहीं जा रहा फिलहाल तो। पिछले 4 घंटे की RSI तो बिल्कुल न्यूट्रल ही चल रही है। ये बिटकॉइन की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ जो सोलाना चेक करते 117 के की डिप के बाद सोलाना ने थोड़ा सा अच्छा सा रिट्रेस हमें दिखाया है, बट वो एक रिट्रेस है और कोई भी बाउंस पे होल्ड नहीं कर रहा। बाउंस पे बहुत ज़्यादा सेलिंग आ रही है तो प्राइस होल्ड नहीं हो पा रही। और जो जो पॉलिटिकल जो एक सिनारियोस बन रहे हैं ईरान और यूएसए के, उसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए और जो मार्केट में एक फियर का एलिमेंट चल रहा है, जो 19% फियर है, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम फियर है। तो आई डोंट थिंक कि अगर इसने अब 124 या 125 अगले कुछ दिनों में हिट ना किया तो, कुछ दिनों में क्या कुछ घंटों में हिट ना किया तो एक बहुत बड़ा डाउन ट्रेंड फिर आने वाला है सोनाना में। पिछले 4 घंटे की RSI बिटकॉइन से भी नीचे है। मूविंग एवरेज जो है वो किसी जगह पे होल्ड नहीं कर पा रही, किसी जगह किसी ने बाय नहीं किया, हर पॉइंट पे आके जो ट्रेडर्स हैं उन्होंने सेल किया है। शॉर्ट टर्म लॉन्ग टर्म सेलिंग ही चली है। मोमेंटम थोड़ा सा बेहतर हुआ है पिछले 4 घंटों में, यह हमने देखा है। लेकिन अगर इसने 124 123.5 124.5 के लेवल्स को भी हिट ना किया और उस जगह अपनी प्राइस को मेंटेन ना किया तो सोलाना में एक बहुत बड़ा जो है वो डाउन ट्रेंड आने वाला है। इसके अलावा गाइस मैं आपको बता दूं कि अभी फिलहाल जो 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 पॉलिटिकल सिनारियोस चल रहे हैं, ईरान यूएसए की जो गवर्नमेंट शटडाउन होने का एक जो खतरा बना हुआ है, जिसकी अब प्रोबेबिलिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू पोली मार्केट 99% हो चुकी है। और 1 फेब से लग रहा है कि जो यूएस गवर्नमेंट है वो शटडाउन हो जाएगी। इसके अलावा अगर अमेरिका ने डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कोई एडवेंचरिस्ट अपना एक्शन को मूव लिया ईरान के अगेंस्ट, तो देयर इज नो चांस कि मार्केट रिकवर कर सके फॉर अ शॉर्ट टर्म, और जो डाउन ट्रेंड है वो तो फिर आना ही आना है। इसलिए इन चीज़ों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए अगर आपने कोई एंट्री लेनी है तो शॉर्ट की ही लेना। फिलहाल के लिए अगर प्राइस जाती है 123 124 पे, तो इंशाल्लाह ताला हम जो है वहाँ से अपनी एक शॉर्ट पोजीशन लो लेवरेज के साथ ओपन कर देंगे और एक अच्छी प्रॉफिट के साथ उसे हम एक अच्छा प्रॉफिट लेके हम वो बुक करके पोजीशन क्लोज कर देंगे और उसके बाद फिर वेट करेंगे। फिलहाल तो वेट चल रहा है। फिलहाल तो इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी आई हुई है, हर चीज़ ब्लर है, कुछ समझ नहीं लग रही कि फिलहाल ये कहाँ पे मूव करेगी। लेकिन जो चीज़ें मुझे समझ लग रही है वो ये है कि थोड़ा सा डेवलपमेंट्स और देखते हैं, 1 2 दिन और एनालाइज करते हैं कि यार यूएस से जो है उसने वैसे ऑफिशियली कोई अपना बयान नहीं दिया ट्रम्प ने कि वो उसके क्या मोटिव्स हैं, अपने जो उसने वेसल भेजी है अपने मिडल ईस्ट में ईरान के पास, उसने अपने वैसे मोटिव्स अपने क्लियर नहीं किए। मे बी आज क्लियर कर दिए, अगर उसने अपने मोटिव क्लियर कर दिए और वो थोड़ी वॉर की तरफ जा रहे हुए या फिर टेंशन को एस्केलेट करने वाले हुए तो फिर तो भाई डाउन ट्रेंड आने वाला है। क्योंकि ये मार्केट है, ये इमोशनल सेंटिमेंट्स पे चल रही होती है, इतनी ज़्यादा इसमें इमोशंस इन्वॉल्व होते हैं। तो तो मुझे नहीं लगता गाइस के अभी फिलहाल के लिए कोई बेच, हाँ बस ट्रम्प ने कहा कि हमारे कोई मोटिव नहीं है, हमने बस थोड़ा डराने धमकाने के लिए या कोई फ्लैक्स मारने के लिए या फिर कोई ड्रिल्स करने के लिए या फिर पावर शो करने के लिए मैंने अपने ट्रूप्स भेजे हैं मिडल ईस्ट में, तो और अपने वापस बनाने वाले हैं। फिर हम देखेंगे यार कोई शिफ्ट आएगा थोड़ा बहुत, हाँ अलबत्ता जो यूएस मार्केट शटडाउन होगा वो फिर भी इम्पैक्ट करेगा मार्केट को। अब हम देख रहे हैं कि सोना को बस 123 को हिट करने 123 को हिट कर लिया तो मैं अपनी एक पोजीशन ओपन कर दूंगा शॉर्ट की, एक थोड़ी सी लेवरेज लेके बस चेक करने के लिए कि यार कोई एक छोटी मोटी पोजीशन सिक्योर करते हैं। मैं अपने दूसरे फ़ोन में से वेट ही करूंगा, मुझे लग रहा है कि यार डाउन ट्रेंड आने वाला है इसमें। थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ रिस्की है, गैम्बल नहीं करते, अपने जो है ना रिस्क वाला जो हमने एक एलिमेंट ऑफ रिस्क फ्री वाला एलिमेंट रखा हुआ है उसको मेंटेन करते हुए डेली ट्रेडिंग जो है जरूरी होता है कि आप डेली ट्रेड करो, किसी दिन आपको वेट भी करना पड़ जाता है। हमने जो परसों कल के दिन हमने $600 का प्रॉफिट बुक किया है, तो फिलहाल यार $600 का प्रॉफिट बुक हो गया है, मज़ा आ गया है। आगे जो है अगर हम 1 2 दिन वेट भी कर लें तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन ये है कि हमने अपनी ट्रेड जो है वो थोड़े पोर्टफोलियो से कंटिन्यू करनी है। हमें कोई नहीं यार एक ही रात में अरबपति नहीं बनना, हमें अरबपति बनना भी नहीं है। हमने ये है कि अपना खर्चा पानी यहाँ से निकालते रहना, ट्रेड एक पार्ट टाइम काम है। जो मैं 3 घंटे के लिए लाइव स्ट्रीम आता हूँ, आपको भी दिखाता हूँ कि ट्रेड कैसे करते हैं, और आप अपनी जो रिस्क है उसको मिनिमाइज करके कैसे डेली का प्रॉफिट बना सकते हैं। और हमने प्रॉफिट भी बनाया है, आपने देखा है, 5 दिन ट्रेडिंग की है, एक दिन लॉस नहीं किया, और हर दिन 100 से ऊपर प्रॉफिट बनाया है, $100 से ऊपर प्रॉफिट बनाया है। तो आप अगर दिन का $100 का प्रॉफिट बनाओ तो ये 30,000 में 28,000 रुपये बनते हैं। और ये कौन कमाता है, कौन सैलरी वाला बंदा कमाता है? और आपने क्या ऐसे 2 से 3 घंटे देने हैं ऐसे थोड़े एनालिसिस को, क्रिप्टो की मार्केट की बस एनालिसिस करनी है। और ये हिट करके है 123 को। गाइस थोड़ा बहुत ये सिटी जब हमने चेक किया ना ट्विटर, उसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत यार पॉजिटिविटी नजर आ रही थी, थोड़ी बहुत नेगेटिव मिक्स था, न्यूट्रल ओपिनियन था। कोई कह रहा था बियर है, कोई कह रहा है बुलिश है। हम अपने एनालिसिस करें तो मार्केट में एक्सट्रीम फियर तो है ही, और जो थोड़ी बहुत टेंशन है यूएसए के और ट्रम्प के और ईरान के दरमियान, और एक जो गवर्नमेंट शटडाउन का एक जो तलवार लटकी हुई है, उसने ये मार्केट में फियर का एलिमेंट भी क्रिएट किया हुआ है, एक अनसर्टेनिटी भी है। एक जो स्ट्रक्चर है क्रिप्टो का, वो समझ नहीं आ रहा कि यार क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि कई दफ़ा मार्केट ने जैसे हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे उससे ऑपोजिट परफॉर्म किया है। थोड़े यार चीज़ों को कूल डाउन होने दो, फिर समझ लग चीज़ें लग जाती है कि यार इसके अप जाना है या डाउन जाना है। तो अभी यार फिलहाल जितने अब जो विंटर पीरियड के मैनेज हैं, हम तो बाकी जो इनकी बहुत ही तगड़ी एनालिसिस है, जो मतलब कि बड़ी बड़ी वेव्स हैं, उनको भी एनालाइज कर रहे होते हैं, तो वो भी उन्होंने भी अपनी 10% अपनी को पोजीशंस बनाई हुई है, वो भी हल्की फुल्की, उनसे कुछ भी एनालाइज नहीं किया जा सकता। बाकी उन्होंने कुछ भी ओपन नहीं किया हुआ, उन्होंने बस क्लोज की हुई है सारी पोजीशन, और कोई उनकी ट्रेड नहीं चल रही। तो फिलहाल जो है हम वेट ही कर रहे हैं, उन्हीं के साथ चल रहे हैं और वेट कर रहे हैं। फिलहाल अगर किसी ने कोई एंट्री लेनी भी है तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि 123 के अब एक शॉर्ट पोजीशन ओपन कर लेना, और 122 के मिड में या 122 के बॉटम में से सेल कर देना। अपना दिन का जो भी 40-50 डॉलर का प्रॉफिट बने निकाल के साइड जाके बर्गर खाओ, मैकडोनल्ड्स पे जाओ, केएफसी जाओ, बर्गर खाओ, और बस फिर मज़े से मार्केट को वॉच करो जैसे फुटबॉल का मैच वॉच करते हो। और जब आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी नजर आए यार, अब अपॉर्चुनिटी आ चुकी है, मैं अपने ट्रेड्स में अपने आप को अपडेट करता रहूंगा कि यार अब क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी आने वाली है। फिलहाल के लिए यार मुझे फिलहाल कुछ समझ नहीं लग रही कि क्या होने वाला है, मैं कुछ भी क्लियरली नहीं बता सकता। जैसे पिछले लाइव स्ट्रीम में जब सोलाना की प्राइस 125 थी, मैंने आपको 100% मतलब लोहे की लकीर पे मतलब लिख के कहा था, सोने से लिख के कहा था कि इसकी जो प्राइस है ना वो 120 के पास आने वाली है, तो आई है 117 पे भी गया। तो हमने अपने जो लॉन्ग पोजीशन है वो अराउंड 121 हमारी एवरेज प्राइस बनी थी, हमने ओपन कर दिया 123 पे, $600 का प्रॉफिट, और भाई $600 का प्रॉफिट दिन में ही लेके हमने सेल कर दी। तो अब जो है चीज़ें बेहतर हो गई हैं, प्राइस जो है उसने रिट्रेस दिखाया है, ये रिवर्सल ही रिट्रेस है, फिर कैंडल्स जो है वो ऊपर नीचे हो रही है। यार ये जो कैंडल्स है ना इस तरह की, ये यार बड़ा काम खराब करती है। अब फर्स्ट क्या कि यार इसकी अगर कैंडल जाती है ना दोबारा, अगर मैं देखता हूँ 123 पे गई है, तो थ्री शॉर्ट पोजीशन ओपन, और 22 122.7 122.5 के राउंड हमने मारना, उसको सेल लेना है प्रॉफिट, और जो जी हमारा दिन का काम हो गया है। वही इथेरियम की प्राइस में हल्का फुल्का सा पंप, और क्रिप्टो पूरी मार्केट में हल्का सा हल्का फुल्का, वही हल्का फुल्का से ही आ रहा है। पहले हमने ट्राई की थी कि यार इंग्लिश में आपको समझाएं, इंग्लिश में भी ट्राई किए यार, कोई गोरा बंदा जो है वो ले गया है, गोरे बंदे से कोई सवाल जवाब करे, कोई कमेंट सेक्शन में आए, कोई बातें करे, हम भी उससे पूछें, वो भी हमसे कुछ पूछे, नॉलेज में इजाफा हो। लेकिन यार गोरे गोरे हैं, वो नहीं हमें कुछ समझते, वो समझते हैं कि यार हम भी जीते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें नहीं पता कि भाई हम यहाँ लाइव ट्रेडिंग कर रहे होते हैं। कौन गोरा लाइव ट्रेडिंग करता है? हमारे वकार सका को तुम पकड़ सकते हो? वकार जका तो भाई 15 मिनट में $15,000 का प्रॉफिट, भाई उसको ना वॉच किया करो भाई। ये वकार जका जो है वो आपको कहता है कि मैंने 15 मिनट में $15,000 का प्रॉफिट, 1 मिनट में 15,000, भाई उसका पोर्टफोलियो $1 million का पड़ा होता है। इनका पोर्टफोलियो $1 million का पड़ा हुआ है यार, वो आराम सुकून से, उसके पास तो इतना बड़ा बैकअप पड़ा होता है, वो तो 100x लेवरेज लेके ट्रेड करता होगा, और सुकून से अपना प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेता होगा। ऐसे कोई $100 वाला इस तरह का करके दिखाया मुझे, मैं उसे मानूं भाई, उसे मिनट से पहले लिक्विडेट होना है, ऐसा कभी रिस्क नहीं लेना। बकार पाए तो अपने पास फ्लेक्स मारे होते, और उसे प्रेसिडेंट बनना है, सॉरी प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनना है पाकिस्तान का, अगले इलेक्शन में भाई पाकिस्तान आ तो जा भाई, आसिम मुनीर ये बनाता है प्रेसिडेंट। यार मेरी वैसे शक्ल अच्छी है, लाइव स्ट्रीम में तो अच्छा नहीं आ रहा, तो लाइटिंग का इशू है। अच्छा, लाइव स्ट्रीम में एक थोड़ा सा इशू आया है कि यार पीछे लाइव स्ट्रीम ने आपको चार्ट्स दिखा ही नहीं रहा था, मतलब कि वो शो ही नहीं कर रहा था, तो मैं थोड़ी सेटिंग की है यार, इसमें ग्लिच आ गया था। सॉरी गाइस, ये ग्लिच नहीं आना चाहिए था, बट ये आ गया।